It'll make calcium hydroxide, and then what's left is hydrogen. So hydrogen will actually gas off of here. So this will not necessarily a violent reaction, but you'll definitely be able to see it. It was also what we call an exothermic reaction. Does anyone know what exothermic means? Right?
Exo means outside, and thermic means temperature. So
what do you
outside
think?
Temperature.
So what do you think is going to happen in an exothermic reaction?
Then the outside temperature is going to change.
Okay.
It will react at room temperature.
It will react at room temperature, and it will give off heat. Is what it means.
I was right.
So obviously you can see it reacting pretty much right away. That gas coming out of there is hydrogen gas.
Hello, hydrogen. Isn't hydrogen poisonous?
It's not poisonous, it's flammable.
Oh, so we can light a match in the
You
room?
could. I've actually done it before. It works sometimes, it doesn't work a lot of times. Where I actually trap it with a funnel and then light the top of the funnel and it'll pop it off. It's kind of cool, but most of the time it just makes a little candle.
Oh, cool.
Which I put next to the centerpiece.
Is it hot? Like
I
extremely?
won't anymore if I hear I've been saying it. Okay, so you can touch the beaker, but not like a lot. Just kind of. You can even just put your hands by it, and you can feel the heat.
Is it hot?
That it's
Like,
giving off.
It's like the hot spring.
Oh, yeah.
So that's exothermic reaction.
No, it smells like rotten
I
eggs.
don't know, but it's pretty warm.
Rotten eggs.
It's not fun to just like cure a beaker around.
Drink it every time.
Yeah, not so much. So that's an exothermic reaction. If we have an exothermic, what else would we also have? Endothermic. So an
Oh, Lord.
exothermic reaction gives off heat. What would an endothermic reaction do? It would take heat. So in other words, this was just hot.
This will be cold.
This one will be cold.
is it gonna pop off the?
It will not. It actually, this is ammonium thiocyanate, so it will actually give off ammonia gas, and so it smells.
Oh God.
That's why that's on. I'll give you a chance to.
That sucks for them.
We should go like put it in the other science room and just like let it go.
That thing's still going, kind of.
Sneak those out. Sneak those guys out.
Going
Yep.
slower now.
Just because it's not being used.
Just because they think they're better.
I fight everyone.
Yeah, well, that doesn't mean they like you.
I didn't say you could. I didn't say
Yeah, you didn't say you could either.
I'd like it.
Okay, so one thing you notice about these two is that they're both powders. So, right? There's no liquid in there, there's no water, no nothing. Put another powder in there. So typically you would think nothing's going to happen.
Nothing's gonna happen.
Nothing's going to happen.
Oh
It's just
Lord.
totally anticlimactic.
Oh God.
Okay, you can actually see now it's creating liquid in there.
liquid.
Okay, now feel the bottom of the flask. So you can feel the difference in the heat. If you use enough of this, you can actually freeze it to a surface. It's similar. I don't think it's the same stuff because of the ammonia, but it would be a similar kind of thing where you break it and then mix it together, and then it makes an endothermic reaction. And actually,
Oh
you want
God.
to smell.
Oh, smell.
What's this wrong? What did you do wrong?
He didn't do
Yes,
that.
he wafted into his.
It smells like a turd. That's what you're supposed to do.
What two things did Craig do wrong?
You didn't walk.
And no off it.
Okay, well that's, yeah. He did the exact same thing that Jacob did
So stupid.
right after we said you don't do that.
You stupid.
That's only one thing.
Yeah, do that again.
You did it.
He's immune to it now.
Yes, he's quite mean to it.
You licked your face off.
Do you think I actually sound